Dear students, now we will start with Unit 4 of LRPS. It consists of 3 sections: mirror images, water images, and cubes and dices. So first we will see mirror images. So in the mirror image questions, the questions are based on the criteria that few figures are given, and we have to find out which one is the exact image of the given figure in a mirror placed in front of it. Okay, this image formation is based on the principle of lateral inversion, which implies that size of the image is equal to the size of the object, but both the sides are interchanged. Means the left portion of the object is seen as the right side and right portion of the object is seen as the left side. See the ABC. ABC is the mirror image of the ABC is like this, and there are 11 letters in the English alphabet. They have a identical mirror image like A H A I M O T U V W X Y. Okay. Now we will see characteristics of reflection by plane mirror. So the first is perpendicular distance of object from mirror is equal to perpendicular distance of image from the mirror. Then next is the image is laterally inverted. It is the inverted image. See the mirror image of this object AB and this object. Next is the line joining the object point with the image is normal to the reflecting surface. Fourth characteristics is the size of the image is same as that of object. So the mirror image of certain words are like this. Okay, so it is inverted and the sides are different. Means the left side of the object is the right side of the mirror image. See, this is the mirror image of BMC49R JN2317, and this is the mirror image of this. Okay, now mirror images of capital letters. So we have to observe this mirror images of capital letters A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, and the mirror images of small letters A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, so this is the mirror image of small letters, and next is mirror images of numbers are 0. This is the mirror image of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the mirror images of various objects. We have to observe that. See, it is inverted images. And next is mirror images of certain words and numbers. Mirror images of clock. So here either we have to find the mirror image, or we use the formula like real hand x is equal to image time 12 minus x. So if the time is 3 o'clock, then it shows the 9 o'clock in the mirror image, that is 12 minus 3 means 9. Okay, 12 minus 3 means 9. Okay, if there is a 4 o'clock, then 12 minus 4 means 6, it gives a 6 in the mirror image. So there are certain questions in which the position of the hour and the minute hand of a clock as seen in a mirror image are given, and we have to find out the accurate time. This type of questions are also asked in the mirror images. See here, this is the figure and the time is 6:30. So it shows the time 5:30 in the mirror image. As 12 minus 6, it is 5:30. Then the mirror image of this word water is R E T W. So this is a mirror image of this water word. It starts from R. Okay, so the answer is this 4. Next is deer. So the mirror image of deer is DAE. So mirror image of deer is this, as it start with the R. RAED. Mirror image of this number 86952. So it is first 2, then 5, then 9. So answer is this, as it is start from 2. So 2, 5, 9, 6, 8. So answer is 4. Mirror image of this is this, means the answer is 1. Okay. Next mirror image of this clock is, as it is 9 o'clock, so it shows 3 o'clock. So mirror image of this is this 3. Okay. So the answer is 3 here. Okay. Now we will solve the examples of exercise in the next section. So thank you so much.